Hi, hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second series of this Putrajaya drive-through this morning, going towards the Prime Minister office and the Grand Mosque here in Putrajaya. So here we go. Welcome. This is one of the famous place to visit here in Putrajaya. Whereas the Prime Minister office is ahead of us. So what we want to do now is that we circle this roundabout here and go back to the roundabout where we started. So here we go. The left hand side is on the mosque. And that's the Prime Minister office. Comments down if you wanted me to come down and have some videos around this walkthrough, not a drive-through. So I will make another circle and going to where we started. There's a lot of parking this morning. Of course, it's an early morning drive, so that is an awesome thing. Yep, so while we are driving through, and this is how it looks like here on this roundabout. Of course, both the onboard camera Alright, that's awesome. So again, we go back to that small roundabout and come back again just to complete this one series and going out of this circle. Alright, alrighty. You probably cannot imagine that this will be crowded during the weekend. So we are going out here again and then we turn back. So we will be having that complete circle of this beginning of this boulevard, they can say. Just comments down below if you wanted me some features here in Putrajaya. Circle around. It's good for one of this here.
Lane departure.
So this is the roundabout that we started. And here we are. Back again here. Slow drive on the left hand side. There you go. I will be coming down here again and have some walkthrough of the feature here again, maybe during the weekend. So there's a lot of you can see there's a lot of visitors and holiday makers and things like that in here. So what we're gonna do now is we're going out here and let's go for the next series. That's all for now, and I'll see you on the next one. And we are exiting here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again later. Ciao.